Tango Inn Taipei KaiFong opened since 2025 and rooms are new compared to neighbor hotels. Tango Inn Taipei KaiFong with 158 rooms is one of the chain hotels under the Tango Hotel Resorts, a Taiwan local chain. Laundry room is free and opens for 24 hours. Every bathroom has bidets, but without bathtub. There are free 2 drinks at refrigerator, 2 free water bottles, coffee and tea bags at rooms every day. There are 2 water dispenser machines each floor hallway, but no kettle inside room. No handlers provided at guestroom. 1 bottle for shampoo and bath wash. There are no toiletries provided since Taiwan government 2025 rules. Guests can buy personal items from 2 nearby convenience stores. Tango Inn Taipei KaiFong is located within 5 minutes to Taipei Main Station and many Taipei Metro Bus stops nearby. There are several tourist attractions near hotel. Taipei North Gate, Dihua Street, Dadao Chen, Ximending Shopping Center, 228 Peace Memorial Park at National Taiwan Museum. Visitor can walk 4 minutes to take Taoyuan Airport MRT to Taiwan Taoyuan International Airport. After staying at Tango Inn Taipei KaiFong for 4 nights, here are my ratings of this hotel from 1 to 5. Location 5 out of 5. Wi-Fi quality 5 out of 5. Cleanliness 5 out of 5. Comfort level 3 out of 5. And value for money 4 out of 5. The pros are location and new room feel. The cons are bad quality of bath towels since not absorbing water. It is inconvenient to just have a water jar at room, not having a kettle. I have to leave room to hallway to get hot water for my tea or coffee. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe the channel. Press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.